Headstreams has had a very busy and exciting few months in spite of the lockdown due to the second wave of the pandemic. Two new programs have been rolled out and new resources have been created. A new women's SHG has been formed in Chikkakunturu Panchayat and the women have been enthusiastically participating in our activities. An MOU was signed with the Panchayat for the setting up of a skill development and income generation center at the village Doddamalai. Construction has begun with the clearing and marking on the land, and it is encouraging to see the SHG women actively participating in the construction work. Meetings with the Panchayat officials, ASHA workers, and Anganwadi teachers were held at two more Panchayats, Tekal and Kudiyannur, to explain the entrepreneurship program. Often youth in underprivileged backgrounds are unable to access employability skills and job readiness courses because they are unaffordable. We have launched a program that offers such courses for free. Job readiness course flyers and videos were also circulated through placement officers of different colleges around Kolar district. If you or anyone you know may benefit, just fill the Google form or WhatsApp us. Within our first week, we already have 300 students and counting. Students of 4th and 6th semester have successfully completed their final exams. Our very first batch of graduates is ready to move on into the job placement phase. Work with the children in HSR layout in Bengaluru has resumed after the lockdown. Our team is meeting with the children close to their homes and distributing materials required for the planned activities. Both the children and parents eagerly take part in these. Children expressing themselves through drawings and learning the importance of helping and seeking help is very uplifting. During the lockdown announced in April 2021, we were not able to visit the CCIs. The children were disheartened. Some of them suffered with COVID, while others felt demoralized with no visitors or parents allowed to meet them. Completely isolated, all the interaction they had were with their house mothers. So we devised a plan to help alleviate their ennui by putting together a set of art and craft activities. In coordination with their house mothers, we ensured that they had the activities available every day. It became a time the girls looked forward to, and they created marvelous paper and other craft items. On resuming our sessions, we organized a small exhibition to showcase all their creations. The children were proud to see their work on display. The DCPO, the superintendent of the boys' home, and the PO of the Sishu Mandir attended the program and lauded the efforts of the house mothers and the children. We also conducted an online session on play therapy for students of Alvas College on July 3rd, 2021. If you'd like to know more about what we do, feel free to contact us and check out our website.